Today we are going to see correct use of prepositions. Prepositions, you may be knowing that they tell about the relationship of noun, pronoun, place, or a thing. When you see any word that is telling about a relationship of something, that we can call as preposition. Common prepositions are on, at, under, over, by, with, between, and there are n number of prepositions. Any word that is telling any relationship, we can say that is a preposition. But how can we use them correctly? That is the main problem in many examinations, from clerical to class 1 examinations like NDA, CDS, in class 10, in class 11, you will find always questions about prepositions. And sometimes we go wrong. We feel wondered if it is I go by car and I write with pen. If we translate from Hindi to English as we generally do when we speak or write, sometimes we may go wrong. So what is the way out to use correct prepositions? The correct kind of thing is that read more and more English books, read more and more magazines, read novels, read autobiography of a person you cherish. So that kind of thing we can do in our time that we want to give to our self-development. Why I call it a self-development? Because whenever we are talking, whenever we are writing, we are telling something about a situation, a place, or a person. So we cannot get away from prepositions. There is no way out. There is no respite that you can do away with the use of prepositions. So the correct way that I suggest you is not that you just read from grammar book, that's something that is above, something that is below, something that is between, something that is among. So many things can be a base of some rules and regulations. Yes, in the formal beginning, you may find comfortable when you mug up these rules, but you will find till you start thinking in English, till you start talking in English, till you switch over to English news channels, till you start writing in English, till you start using English words in your day-to-day conversations, you will feel problem about prepositions and correct use of English in day-to-day life. So if you really want to clearly tell that book is on the table, the book is at the table, book is over the table, book is under the table, book is below the table, and if you really want to make out a difference yourself, read a lot. And that is the only way out to use these prepositions correctly. If you want to speak better English, if you want to write English that is correct, there is 100% precision in writing. There are no grammatical errors. Kindly be aware of prepositions when you talk, when you write, and when you deal with people. So that is all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day. May God bless us all.